Hi, I'm Amy with WTI. These Yoolax solar pathway lights are amazing. I was having a problem with my rock steps in my backyard. They look completely black at night. And so safety was a serious concern of mine. So some things that I love about these lights is that you don't have to worry about electricity, wires. You literally just stick this spike in the bottom of them, stick it in the ground wherever you would like to put them, and press the button for 3 seconds. And these will power up by day and they will work for you all throughout the night. One of the biggest things that I love about these is that they have sensors on them. I wanted to show you how well they work. My son is demonstrating walking up the pathway here, and they work so great. I have two here, as you can see. The instructions said put them about 5 to 8 feet apart. I could see why, because these lights are so powerful. So you have 3 different modes you can choose from. You get to pick what you like. And look how nice these look. I love the black matte finish. They really have upgraded my pathway. So if you're looking for outdoor lights, you cannot go wrong with these Yoolax solar pathway lights. The lighting is beautiful. They look adorable. They do a fantastic job. You don't have to worry about electricity, and they have a sensor. I'm a huge fan of these lights. I'm so happy that I got them. I think that you will be very pleased with them too. And that's my point of view.